Hello everyone, my name is Shruti. I study in class CKG. Now I will tell you one story, The Woodcutter and the Golden Axe. Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter who worked very hard in the forest. He collected the wood and sold them to get some food. One day, he was cutting a tree. Accidentally, his axe fell into the river. He could not find it. He sat on the bank of the river and wept. Suddenly, the god of the river arose and asked him, "What happened?" The woodcutter told the story. The god of the river offered to help him. She disappeared into the river and hit you with a golden axe. But the woodcutter said it was not his. The god again disappeared into the river and came back with a silver one. The woodcutter again refused to take it. The god again disappeared into the river and came back with an iron axe. The woodcutter smiled and said it was his. The god, impressed with the woodcutter's honesty, she gifted him the golden and the silver axes. So friends, the moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. Thank you.